highlights of this week, we're getting ready to get out of our transformation cocoon. Plus, I'll show you how to become a powerful magnet, serene through these changes happening, and attract what you truly are here to uplift.
Become a shining magnet. Give yourself access to a freer lifestyle. Start living in the new era vibe. Let's go travel towards freedom.
There's something new in the air. It can be an emotional week. It's about believing. We're not sure first if we can pull it off, but later in the week, we'll find out, yes, we've got this. We're shedding our old skin like a butterfly in its cocoon, as us humans have been conditioned not to move towards our dreams, but rather away from pain and worries. Actually, we tend not to move out of our comfort zone until there's no other options. Like an older famous singer from Iceland called Björk stated, "In the state of emergency, how beautiful to be." Like I'm going through a lot of need for change, as we all are. Accumulating old ways, conditioning, resisting. My lungs went down in a very deep lung affection for a month, which really means I am to concentrate on taking in the fullness of life and live life to the fullest. So my lungs were telling me it is important to accept life as it is, all the changes that I'm going through. And as soon as I started truly, deeply accept that, my lungs got way better and everything is cool now. Even though I'm a cat with 9 lives, I still have some discomfort with change. It's still quite uncomfortable each time, as I'm a Leo, which adore comfort and tranquility. But when I started to get into gear, just taking one thing at a time, my lungs cleared up and I'm feeling amazing again. This is how I know each time I'm on the right path. Because the feel and the body is our indicator. It is like a pendulum. When the swings are strong, then you are on your right yes or your wrong no path. So the solution is within us. We're good when we feel and the body shows us that we are good. That everything's fine. So be good to yourself through the changes, especially here after the full moon, because the full moon is about shedding dysfunctional ways, really. It's like a cycle of the full moon where it's time to shed some dysfunctional stuff in our lives, and the new moon is time to rebuild. And it's an internal cycle with small little moves month by month, so we can grow eternally. We're part of nature, like plants taking time to grow. We're shedding our old dysfunctional ways, so be kind and patient with yourself. You're doing wonderfully in your own pace. In reality, there is no time. It's just a man-made concept. So as long as we're not stagnant, taking a small, aware, brighter step a day, we're doing just fine. One of the things that is of great importance is to be aware. Aware of what doesn't work for us and care for ourselves by finding brighter solutions to what doesn't work anymore. Decide where your heart wants to go. Where would you be? Who would you be with? What does your life look like if you had no morals or no money problems to take care of? If you were free from that, see that whole picture, because within that picture is your truth. This is your soul mission. This is what you came here to do, be and outlive. So the more you moving towards that direction, the more you are in your real life and not the pseudo life that society have conditioned us within. Be the change for yourself. Where things do not function well, how can you prove to something that feels much better, going against the old norms of doing things? Become a powerhouse magnet, is shining from within, being as detached as possible. So shed your skin, detach yourself from the old worries, which is really conditioning from society. Repeatedly catch the old down-spiraling thoughts. Reframe optimistically. You've got this. This is how you build it into the subconscious as a way brighter new habit, thinking with optimism, which emanate from you, and this is what makes you shine in way more. People will feel the change. Signs and synchronicity will come to you, as if the walls of worries have come down. The goodness can now reach you. There, take inspired actions. Build your freer future roadmap. You can find the link to it below. The method I've used over and over again to build new success. In all different areas of life I've tried it, as I'm a cat, 9 lives in one. Plus all the people I've guided out of this tunnel, living a way brighter life today. As I do, it will build you up inside out as a powerful, beaming, magnetic being. Bring you to attract your freer lifestyle, like-minded community, loved ones, etc. It all stems from the profound root, my unique freer future roadmap method. On this, I wish you a shiny magnetic week, swaying through the obstacles. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get all the updates. Let me know what is helpful for you.